Tired of paying full price? Today, I'm going to unlock the secrets to scoring huge discounts on Temu using coupons, turning you into a savvy shopping ninja in just 90 seconds. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open the Temu app on your phone or head to temu.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial for redeeming coupons. Now browse through Temu's vast selection of goodies and add the items you want to your cart. Don't be shy, fill it up. Most coupons have minimum spending requirements, so the more you add, the better the chance you have of using one. Once you're done shopping, tap the shopping cart icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can review your items. Double-check everything is correct while euro quantities, sizes, colors while euro, then tap the checkout button. This will take you to the order summary page. On the order summary page, look for the section labeled Apply Coupon or Enter Coupon Code. It's usually near the order total. This is where the magic happens. Tap the box to reveal the coupon options. Temu often automatically applies available coupons for you. If you have multiple coupons, you can select the one that gives you the best discount. If you have a specific coupon code, manually enter it in the provided field, being careful to match the letters and numbers exactly. Then tap Apply. Watch that order total shrink. Once the coupon is successfully applied, you'll see the discount reflected in the updated price. If the coupon doesn't work, double-check the terms and conditions to ensure your order meets the requirements. Finally, complete your order by entering your payment information and shipping address. Congratulations! You just saved money using a Temu coupon. Now you're a Temu Coupon Pro. Remember to check back often for new deals and discounts. Happy shopping! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.